In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to your Microsoft Loop workspace. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can get your documents into Loop and make them instantly available to your team. First, head to the Microsoft Loop website. This takes you to your home base for collaborative hubs. Once you're there, choose Open a Workspace. If you work across multiple projects, you'll see several options. Pick the one where your files should live so everything stays organized and easy to find. Inside the workspace, open the specific page where you want the files to appear. Think of a Loop page like a focused canvas for a topic or project stream. Keeping files on the most relevant page helps your team discover them in context. Now look for the Create New option. Click it to reveal content choices, then select Upload a File. This is the recommended path because it ties the file neatly into Loop with the right preview and context. When your file picker opens, choose the files from your computer and confirm. You can select one or multiple files at once if you're batching an upload, which saves time and keeps related documents together. A couple of practical guardrails to keep in mind. Individual files can be up to 250 GB, which is generous enough for most documents and large presentations. And the supported file types here include Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and PDF. Those formats work well in Loop and provide a reliable preview and open experience. By default, anyone who already has access to the workspace can view and edit the uploaded files. That means you don't need to micromanage sharing links for each document. If the content is sensitive, double check your workspace membership to ensure only the right people are included. There is also an alternative way to add content. You can drag and drop files directly onto a Loop page. That's fast and convenient, especially for quick adds. Still, using the Create New and then Upload a File flow is recommended when you want the clearest integration and consistent behavior across the workspace. As of now, this upload capability is generally available for work accounts. If you don't see the option, your organization's setup may not have it enabled yet, so check back later or contact your administrator. That's it. Go to Loop, open your workspace and page, use Create New, choose Upload a File, and select your documents. Your team will have what they need right where they work.